let's be real here. We all just want that perfect teenage summer. We've seen it in the movies, we've got it pinned all over our Pinterest, so here's how to pull it off. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 2021 summer bucket list with all of you. I have written down over 130 things I want to do this summer. So this might take a while, but that's alright. Yesterday, I spent like an hour doing research on a few other people's bucket lists, Pinterest bucket lists, so many different things. And then I compiled all together out of those the ones I liked, and I made my own. Here it is. It's pretty long. It's very colorful. I know, I'm very into gel pens. I'm like a third grader. But anyways, let's just get into it. I'm gonna try to go through these pretty fast because otherwise we'll be sitting here for so long. But the first one on the list is go boating. And when you go boating, you go tubing or surfing or wakeboarding or whatever it is you do. Or you can even just chill on the boat. Along with that, you can have a day at the lake. You can make s'mores. I feel like s'mores are a very staple summer thing. You could travel, maybe go on a road trip with some friends, spend the night in a different town, or even go out of the country. You could get snow cones. You could make popsicles, because you can get those little holders and then you just put whatever you want into it and make it into a popsicle, you know? You could watch the sunset, or you could wake up early and watch the sunrise. You could tie-dye things. I know this was trendier last summer, especially during quarantine, but I still think it would be fun. You could have a self-care day, you know, do face masks, whiten your teeth. I do a lot of videos like that. You could go tanning or get a tan, just lay out in your yard or by the pool. You go stargazing. You could have a girls' night or a boys' night or a day's night, whatever it is. You could just have a night with your friends. You could have a photo shoot, a painting night, like you and your friends get canvases and sit outside and like paint a tree or something. I don't know, I feel like that could be really fun. You could go to your town's carnival or festivals. I don't know if like every town has a carnival, but my town where I live, we have Summerfest, and I think it's so fun and I'm so pumped to go to that. You could have a water balloon fight, and in the water you could put glitter so you're like shiny by the end. You could have a movie marathon, like all the High School Musicals or something. I have a guy friend who hasn't seen any of them, so I told him we're doing that this summer. You could do yoga if you've never done it before. That would be really fun. We could get better at it. You could go to a farmer's market. I really want to do this. I think farmer's market are so cute, so I really want to do that this summer. You could go to a drive-in movie. I don't know a lot of places that still do that, but you know, if you have one near you, I think that's so fun. You could ride scooters. I feel like the electric scooters are super trendy right now. Like if you can find them in the bigger cities and you like rent them for an hour. You could make jewelry. Those beaded necklaces and all that are super trendy right now. You could longboard. If you live somewhere with a canyon, you could like longboard the canyon. You could have a picnic, like the ones you see on Pinterest, you know, that are like super aesthetic, and you have like charcuteries and a cute blanket and all that. You could go thrifting, and you could go with your friends and say like you have an X amount of money and you have to put an entire outfit together. That would be really fun. Or you could just do like a normal thrifting trip. You could go paddleboarding. I feel like that's basically like the day at the lake thing, but you know, just putting it out there. You could go to a concert. I know there's still a few people who aren't really doing concerts this year because of post-COVID and everything, but if your state allows it and you have someone fun you want to go see, I say go for it. You could eat watermelon. That's another staple summer thing, I feel like. Go to an amusement park, explore the city. You can make friendship bracelets and then hand them out to all your friends, or you can make them together with your friends. You can make a new recipe. That's probably really hard, but you know, you could give it a shot. I believe in you. You could go mini golfing. You could go fruit picking, like strawberries and blueberries and all that. I really want to do that. I've done it once. I did it in Washington with my aunt, and I really want to do it again, and I think it's so cute. Along with paddleboarding and like a day at the lake, you could go kayaking / canoeing. They're very similar, but I think kayaking is funner. You could create a summer playlist with your friends, you know, make a playlist all together, and then all throughout the summer you could all add your own songs to it, and then whenever you're together and you shuffle the playlist, everyone has a song they know and you can just all jam out and vibe. You can go cliff jumping if it's safe. If it's not safe, don't go cliff jumping. I think cliff jumping is pretty fun, but you gotta make sure it's safe, you know, and legal. Don't do anything too crazy. Along with that, you could go bridge jumping. I don't know if this is very common in America. I know a couple people who do it, but like in New Zealand, it's called bombing, and you go jumping off the bridges and stuff. I've done it. I think it's pretty fun. I've never done it in the US though. So if you live in the US, make sure it's legal, make sure it's safe, make sure it's not too high or anything. We do want to be alive by the end of this summer. You could catch fireflies, like get a mason jar, and at night just put them in there and have like a cute little collection or something. I don't know. You could go to a baseball game. You could go bowling. You could work on your social media platforms. So maybe you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to grow your YouTube channel, you want to for your Instagram, whatever it is. The summer is a great time to work on that. I know I will be working on mine, obviously. You could host a movie night or a game night. You could play paint, Twister. You could go night swimming. You could get henna. You could start a garden. I tried to do this last summer and well, it was an experience. You could have a staycation with friends, you know, maybe there's like a local hotel or something, you just go spend one night and all hang out, do face masks or whatever. You could have a day trip. You could work out, obviously, stay fit, exercise, go on a run, all that. You could journal. I personally love journaling. I think it's so therapeutic. You could host a giveaway. If you're trying to grow your social media platform, giveaways are a great way to do that. And I feel like that could be really fun. I've never done it, so maybe I'll give it a shot this summer. If you guys want me to host a giveaway, comment down below what I should actually give away. The next one is be spontaneous. I think being spontaneous just makes everything funner. You could host a backyard barbecue, you know, with like your family, friends, or just anyone really. You could explore new places in general. You could go to a cute cafe, you know, maybe have a coffee date with someone. You could make homemade pizzas. That looks so fun. I really want to do that this summer. You could go to a sunflower field and like have a photo shoot, or really just like any pretty flower field or just a field in general. Like you could have like a photo shoot or a picnic or just vibe, hang out. You could go to the rope swings. I don't know if like, obviously not everywhere will have like rope swings, but where I live, there's a place called Mona and it's rope swings into this like pond kind of. I think it's really fun. So you could do something like that this summer. You could do a DIY project. You could explore art exhibits and museums. You could go on a walk, you know, take your dog on a walk, maybe with a friend, just get some movement in. You could dance in the rain with friends. I love this and I really want to do that this summer. You could make new friends. It's always great to reach out and add people to your social circle. So I'm hoping to do that this summer. I love making friends. I think the more the merrier. You could write poetry. This is actually a personal goal of mine this summer. I really want to get into writing poetry again. You could read. I have a goal to read 2 books. Obviously not everyone wants to read in the summer, but if you like reading, you know, you could find new music. You could paint your body. I know that sounds weird, but I'll put a picture to explain what I'm saying. Like you could do like a cute drawing on your legs or something. This one's more like a goal, but I put your phone down more often and just live life. You could try skateboarding. I have a lot of friends who skate and I low-key want to try. You could overall just try cooking more. A lot of people go out to eat and I think it's so fun to cook at home, so you could give cooking a shot. You could get into manifesting. If you saw my last video, I tried manifestation journaling and I actually really liked it and I am getting into it more right now. So if you want to give that a shot, that could be a cool new hobby. You could clean your room. You could take film pictures. I have a film camera right here that I use. You could get like a disposable or something like that and that would turn out really cool too. You could try to make sushi. You could go cloud gazing, you know, maybe when you're on a picnic or something with friends, just look up at the clouds. You could play frisbee golf. I think frisbee golf is really fun. You could learn how to juggle. You could go zip lining. Also really want to do this. You could take your grandparents' flowers. You could chalk the sidewalk or your driveway. You could play laser tag. You could have a karaoke night with friends. You could try a new baking recipe. Maybe there's a new cupcake or something you want to try out. You could run through the sprinklers. That's one of mine too. I actually did that last summer on my YouTube anniversary and my friends were laughing at me, but I thought it was fun. You could play tennis or pickleball. You could play the real life Among Us with your friends. I feel like if I did this with my friend group though, it would just be crazy and chaotic. We are seriously the most chaotic friend group, but it could be fun, you know? You could overall just go out of your comfort zone. I feel like that's another goal kind of thing. You can make a slip and slide. You could sleep. Sleeping's nice. Take a nap, sleep in, you know? You could go shopping. You could donate to a charity. There's a lot of issues around the world right now and it's always nice to donate. You could fly kites. I've never been successful at this, but I could give it another shot this summer. You could get a tattoo or get a temporary tattoo. I know a lot of my viewers aren't old enough to get tattoos, which is why I say temporary. I'll put an iCard to a video I did, but there's some really cool temporary tattoos you can get, which would be fun for the summer. You could become pen pals with someone. You could paint rocks and then go to a park or something, like just leave them there for people to find. You could make the funny slideshows. I don't know if y'all have ever seen this, but people will make slideshows on like funny topics. You could twirl in a sundress. I feel like that's a really easy thing, but it's always fun to spin in a sundress. You could get face paint. You could blow bubbles. Bubbles are cool. You could visit a library. You could go to Strawberry Days. I don't know if Strawberry Days goes to everyone in the country, but when my state gets it, it's basically just a festival about strawberries and it's really fun. You could learn to braid. That's another goal of mine. I want to get better at doing hair this summer. You could go get mani-pedis with a friend. You could make acai bowls or go get acai bowls. You could go to the aquarium. You could get rolled ice cream. I don't really know how to explain this. Well, it's like that plate that's super cold, you know, and then they pour the milk on it and they like roll it into ice cream. Hopefully y'all know what I'm talking about. You could go get that. You could get another piercing. I really want to get another piercing this summer. Hopefully my mom lets me. You could learn to play a new instrument this summer, you know, something like the ukulele or the guitar. I feel like the ukulele is a very fun tropical summer instrument. You could have a party, but keep it COVID friendly if you're vaccinated, or wear a mask or whatever, but you could have a party. You could bury a time capsule with friends. I think this would be so fun because I feel like they always do this in the movies, and then in like 10 years you can look back on it, or when you graduate high school or something. You could build an obstacle course with friends. I really want to do this too. I have a huge front yard, so I think it would be perfect. You could get a bird feeder. I don't know, that's pretty random, but you know, if you're into birds, do it. You could play charades. You could host a sleepover. You could meditate. You could sing your heart out in the car with your friends. I know that sounds pretty random, but like, you know, when you're in your car with your friends and someone's DJing and you're all just like having a good time. That's what I meant by that. You could green your beauty routine. By that I mean like basically just going through all your skincare and makeup and making sure it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's sustainable, just all those good earth-friendly things. You could have a jam session. Someone brings a guitar, someone brings a ukulele, someone brings a bass, I don't know, someone sings, just kind of jam out, you know? You could go ice skating. I know that's not typically a summer thing, but I love ice skating and I really want to go this summer, so. You could go to a water park. You could make smoothies or look up copycat recipes of like Jamba Juice or something. You could have a cooking contest with your friends and have someone judge it. You could laugh until you cry or get abs. You could choose a friend to have a weekly lunch with. That's something I'm actually doing. Brittany, if you're watching this, I love you. I'll see you at lunch tomorrow. You could have a pillow fight, and you could do random acts of kindness. Because it's good to be a nice person, you know? Alright everyone, that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I gave you some ideas for your bucket list, or maybe if you're just bored and you needed something to do. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my Instagram, as well as all my other social medias will be linked down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That would be really cool of you. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out. Keep this way.